In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted CMS data in Webflow. Whether you're starting to explore Webflow or you've accidentally deleted important data, don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got you covered. Recovering this data is quite straightforward, so let's walk through the process together. First things first, let's head over to Webflow's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in webflow.com. This is the home base for all your website creation needs. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Login button, a starting point for many great creations. Click on Login to proceed. After clicking Login, you'll be directed to a login page where you'll enter your credentials. With your credentials safely entered, you've opened the door to your Webflow universe and its many projects. Next, you'll automatically be taken to the Webflow dashboard. This area gives you a comprehensive view of your projects and workspaces. Navigate there and familiarize yourself with your options. Now, let's move on to selecting a specific project. Within your dashboard, you'll see a list of your ongoing projects. Find the project related to the data issue and click on it to open its specific settings. Once you do this, you're one step closer to recovering your lost data. Pat yourself on the back. You're doing great. After selecting your project, hover over the project to reveal 3 little dots. These dots hold the key to further options that are not immediately visible otherwise. Click these dots to reveal new settings, which will let you explore more about your project and its data options. In the options that appear, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can manage a wide array of project aspects, from general settings to intricate backups. Speaking of backups, that's exactly where we're headed next. Once in your project settings, look for the Backups tab on the navigation panel. Clicking on this tab will give access to a list of backup versions Webflow has automatically saved over time. This feature acts like an insurance policy for accidental deletions. You can scroll through these backup versions to identify the most recent entry before the unwanted deletion occurred. Found the backup you want? Excellent! The last step is, perhaps, the most satisfying. Click on Restore. This action will roll your data back to its former glory. Keep in mind, this will restore your whole project to how it was at that point in time. So think it through one last time to ensure it's the desired action. And there it is. Your deleted CMS data is now back and ready for you to continue crafting your site. With these steps, you'll never again feel the panic of lost data in Webflow. You've navigated through the intricacies and empowered yourself to restore your work with ease. Thank you for learning with us today, and happy designing!